Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to correct your over bleached frontals. It is so annoying when you have a frontal and you are attempting to bleach your knots, and instead of bleaching your knots, you end up bleaching the hair and over bleaching your roots and your frontal, and then you're sitting around like, oh my god, like how am I going to fix this without messing up your lace, because you don't want to end up staining your lace even though you're trying to correct your roots. So today I'm going to show you how to do all of those things, and you guys can use this tip not only for over bleached roots, but you guys can also use this tip on any kind of hair dyeing process that you have for your closures or your frontals. So you can definitely use these tips on multiple occasions, and as you guys can see, honey, the lace is looking real good. Like, okay, that's what I'm looking like. I'm looking like okay. So if you guys want to see exactly how I did this, then just continue watching. So when you first get your frontal, obviously this is what you're looking like. You're looking crazy. It's all blonde. I have already done this process before, and right now I'm just going to show you guys how to do it since I am touching it up. So the first thing that you're going to need is a mixing bowl. You're also going to need a double-sided edge control brush. We're only going to use the comb side. I also use this brush to do my baby hairs. The next thing you're going to need is a tinting brush for the hair dye that we're going to be using today. And we also are going to use this brush to mix the dyes together. So you're also going to need this semi-permanent dye in darkest brown. And you're going to need this dye in black velvet. So the first thing that you're going to do is take your mixing bowl, put in that semi-permanent dye. We're going to use the brown one and the black one, and we're just going to mix both of these together. So now that you have both of those in there, you're going to go ahead and mix those together with your tinting brush. Just go ahead and stir that around. Keep stirring it so that both of those colors are mixed in well together. And then next you're going to take a towel and put it over your wig stand. I like to do this just to prevent the wig from moving too much once I do put it on here, because that hole is like a one size fits all, but we all know that's not accurate. So now that I've placed this on here, we're going to start the process. So the first thing that you're going to do is comb all of those hairs back and out of the way. You don't want any of the hairs in the way, so right now I'm just parting it, and then I am going to section off the hair really quickly and just brush everything back. The next thing that you're going to do is take your mixing bowl and your brush, and you're going to dip the comb side in there. Make sure that you dab all of that dye out. You see I have it dripping everywhere? Try to prevent that by dabbing some of that off inside of the bowl before you actually put the comb up to the hair. So now I'm just going to literally take the comb and comb the roots. Don't worry about it getting on the lace, because even though it seems like it's going to get on there, it doesn't. I don't know what it is about this little magical comb, but it just doesn't get on the lace. So even like that part right there where I dripped it, you see that part in the front? Once you comb it through, it's fine. See? It's perfectly fine. It's not getting on the lace. Now you will see some spots that are on the mannequin head, but that isn't on the actual hair. So it's not on the lace at all. So I'm just combing the dye through the hair, and I'm going to continue this process throughout the whole entire frontal. So no need for me to talk anymore. You guys can just watch this process. So now that I have all of that combed out of the way, I'm using the excess dye that I have and the tinting brush, and then I'm just brushing over all of the frontal just to make sure that the color is not only on the roots but kind of going throughout the hair, so that there is no line of like demarcation and you have like dark hair and then brown hair. So I'm just pretty much using the excess dye and putting that all over the rest of the hair. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I just suggest to do it so that way everything is cohesive. So I'm just brushing all of that dye through really quickly. That black piece that you guys see right there, that's actually stained on the mannequin head. That's not on my lace, so no worries, don't worry. I didn't make a whoopsie. It's just on the mannequin head from the last time that I did this process. So now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse all of this dye out, and in the next clip you guys will see the finished look. So this is what the frontal look like once I rinse all of that dye out. As you guys can see, I have nice jet black hair now and no more blonde. This is what it originally looked like on the left, and this is what my roots are looking like in the front now. So as you guys can see, it is a complete change. There is like a sandy brown root-ish kind of thing going on here, but I actually like that because it helps it blend in better with your scalp. So you guys, that is the finished look. It was really easy to do, and I hope you guys can mimic the same thing and correct your frontals the next time that you over bleach it. Okay, you guys, so all I went ahead and did was rinsed out all of the dye in my hair. Once I finished rinsing the dye out of my hair thoroughly, I went ahead and put in this leave-in conditioner. Real quick though, when you are rinsing out the color in your hair, make sure that you are rinsing your hair out with cold water. It is very important to do it with cold water, because if you use hot water, it's going to cause the dye to bleed out of your hair. So basically all of your hard work would be for nothing at this point. So it's very important when you are doing that process that you are rinsing your hair out with cold water. So all I did after that, once I rinsed it all out, I just got like some conditioner, and then I went ahead and just like rinsed the hair out with conditioner just to make sure that all of the hair was nice and like clean in a sense, but also that it didn't have any more of the color in there. So once I went ahead and rinsed out the conditioner and everything, I went ahead and used this bad boy right here. This is called the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin, and basically it's just a leave-in conditioner. I use this on my natural hair whenever I wash it and my hair is wet before I blow dry it. So I use this It's a 10 while the hair is wet, and then I go ahead and blow dry the hair on a medium setting. Typically I would just let my hair air dry, but I have videos to record, so I don't have time to wait for it to air dry. And you guys, all I did was blow dry my hair, and look how nice this hair is. This hair is from BHF Hair. I am doing a review on this hair, so if you are interested in purchasing it, don't worry, because I have a full review on this hair. So the other product that I have in my hair right now is this Chi spray. Now this is something that I put on my hair also to protect the hair from heat damage. So I use this. This smells so good. This spray reminds me of just like a really hot guy that just smells really good. Like, that's what I think about when I spray this in my hair. It smells so good. And the last product that I have in my hair is the Biosilk Silk Therapy Oil. You can use this. If you don't have this, you can also use this. This is by Organics. This is the coconut milk oil. So once I've done all of that, I go ahead and put the Biosilk on, and I just put like a little bit in my palm. That's a little bit low, goes a long way, because this product is, you know, and it just gives your hair like a nice shine, especially when you guys are about to flat iron your hair. So this is what I like to put on there. I only like to put just like a palm's worth of it on, because I just like don't like my hair to be weighed down by a lot of products. So that's something that I do. And then you just want to go ahead and comb all of that, or brush it into the hair. It just gives your hair a nice luster, and it really helps with like flyaways and everything. So I'm just really bothered by this. I hate that my foundation is like messed up right there. But other than that, that is all, you guys. So the next time you guys see me, you guys will be checking out how I do my baby hairs on my wig, because right now I don't have any baby hairs on this hair and it's driving me insane. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.